Hi, everybody. This is Janet D, the PT, and I'm coming to you today with a very important question. Do you have a friend or a client whose family member is getting older? Are they experiencing medical issues? Well, as a physical therapist, I have witnessed the stress and worry that families and caregivers experience in the rehab and the home settings. That is why I wrote a book with my friend Rochelle, and our title is called A Caregiver's Guide to Aging, Advocacy, and the American Healthcare System. This book addresses the negative stigmas within the healthcare system to provide direction and peace of mind for families. Topics covered include the major role that insurance has on our medical choices and care. All right? How important insurance has on our lives and our choices. Very interesting points being made. We also discuss the importance of advanced directives, management of chronic conditions such as dementia and diabetes, but also how to advocate for your loved one in the hospital, home, and senior communities. This book is available on Amazon as a Kindle version, so an ebook, or as a paperback version. How great is that? So let this guide be your lantern as you, the caregiver, navigate the healthcare system for your loved one. If you have any questions or specific scenarios that you would love to discuss with a patient advocate, such as myself, feel free to reach out to me. I'm available by email and phone. You can always drop a comment down below, and I will definitely reach out to you so we can discuss further options or concerns that you're having. If you like this video, go ahead and click like. If you're really enjoying this or feel like somebody needs to see this, press share or subscribe to my channel, so then that way we can help others navigate this healthcare system so we can truly help our loved one as they age. Thank you.